Hello, friends. Discover the latest and coolest kitchen gadgets you need to upgrade your cooking game. From smart tools to time-saving devices, these must-haves are perfect for every home chef. Watch now to see them in action and make your kitchen life easier. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more gadget reviews. So friends, let's start the video. Air fryer. The Cosori Air Fryer Pro LE5QT Air Fryer impressively blends functionality and design, making it a standout choice for both novice cooks and seasoned chefs. With a generous 5-quart capacity, it accommodates meals for families and small gatherings alike. Its sleek white exterior adds a modern touch to any kitchen decor. A notable feature of this air fryer is its programmability, which allows users to select from various cooking methods, including roasting, broiling, baking, air frying, and dehydrating. This versatility caters to an array of culinary needs and encourages experimentation with different recipes. The touch control method enhances user experience, facilitating easy navigation through the settings. Operating at 1500 watts, the Cosori air fryer reaches temperatures ranging from a minimum of 95 degrees Fahrenheit to a maximum of 450 degrees Fahrenheit. This temperature range enables precise cooking, ensuring that food is evenly cooked while also allowing for dehydration at lower settings. The non-stick coating aids in easy food release and simplifies the cleaning process, making it dishwasher safe for added convenience. Crepe maker and dosa maker. Versatility. Non-stick coated plate surface lets you quickly and easily make crepes, soft tortillas, tacos, blintzes, egg rolls, chapati, and more breakfast favorites. Heat up quickly in 20 seconds. Forget from your old crepe pan. Cord length 27.5 inch. Perfectly combo. Our electric crepes maker with an automatic temperature controller prevents burning. High-powered heating element 120 volt, 60 Hz, 800 watts, operated by a one-press on-off switch to indicate when the surface is hot enough to begin cooking. The long handle design for easy holding operating saves space and makes you feel safe and love using it. Highly convenient. Our crepe machine is a compact, quick, and convenient cooktop. This non-stick crepe maker has a large cooking die-cast aluminum area of 8 inch, making it easy to create restaurant-style crepes. Preheat the crepe maker, spread a thin layer of batter, and watch your crepe cook in seconds. Easy to clean, this round electric single slow cooker. The Crock-Pot manual 7-quart slow cooker combines convenience and efficiency, making it an essential addition to any kitchen. With a striking turquoise finish, its stainless steel construction ensures durability and an appealing look that complements various kitchen styles. Measuring 14.5 inches in diameter and 9.5 inches in width, this slow cooker is sizable enough to accommodate meals for families or gatherings with a generous 7-quart capacity. The appliance operates at 1500 watts, providing reliable performance for slow cooking, allowing for the development of rich flavors and tender textures in your meals. The control method is simplistic yet effective, featuring a manual control type with 3 distinct settings. This straightforward functionality means anyone can quickly learn to use it, making it suitable for both experienced chefs and novice cooks alike. However, it is important to note that it is not dishwasher safe, which might require some extra effort for cleaning. Eggcentials Poached Egg Maker. The Eggcentials Poached Egg Maker stands out as a highly functional and user-friendly kitchen tool designed for egg enthusiasts and casual cooks alike. With a polished finish and a compact size of 8.5 by 8.5 by 2.5 inches, this egg poacher fits easily into most kitchen setups while maintaining aesthetic appeal. Weighing in at just 3 pounds, it offers a solid feel without being cumbersome. One of the key features of this poached egg maker is its capacity to cook up to 4 perfect poached eggs simultaneously. This is ideal for families or anyone who enjoys hosting brunches, allowing for efficient meal preparation without compromising on quality. The tempered glass lid not only retains heat effectively, but also provides a clear view of the cooking process, enabling users to monitor the eggs without lifting the lid and losing precious steam. In terms of maintenance, the Eggcentials model is dishwasher safe, making cleanup a breeze. This is a significant advantage for busy individuals who appreciate convenience in their kitchen gadgets. Its oven-safe capability adds versatility, allowing users to explore various cooking techniques and recipes beyond just poaching eggs. Salad spinner. Healthy made easy. Our Pro Pump salad spinner makes it so easy to prepare nutritious foods every night of the week. Large salad spinner helps you to clean and serve salad greens and other produce, including fruits and even berries, in seconds. Multiple uses. This lettuce spinner is more than just a device for quickly rinsing and drying produce. Use the basket separately as a colander, and the clear plastic bowl can be used as a large salad bowl or mixing bowl. Enough for everyone. The generous capacity of our salad spinner, 6.65 quart bowl, 5.25 quart basket, means you can put in enough food to feed your entire family. So easy. We know you're busy when it comes to making meals, so we've engineered our large salad spinner for convenient one-handed operation. Simply push down on the spinner mechanism to begin, then tap the brake button when done. Stable and secure. The clear bowl features a soft, non-slip base to secure the salad spinner while in use, with the added bonus of protecting your countertops from getting scratched. Hamilton Beach Power Elite Wave Action Blender. The Hamilton Beach Power Elite Wave Action Blender for shakes and smoothies is a versatile kitchen appliance that simplifies the blending process, making it suitable for both novice and experienced users. With a capacity of 40 fluid ounces, this blender is ideal for creating large batches of shakes, smoothies, and even soups. One of the standout features of this blender is its innovative wave action system, which ensures ingredients are continuously pulled down into the blades for a smooth consistency. This is particularly beneficial when working with denser ingredients, such as frozen fruits or leafy greens, as it minimizes the need for manual intervention. The 12-speed settings provide ample flexibility for various blending tasks, allowing users to tailor the texture of their beverages to their liking. The touch control panel is intuitive and easy to use, making it effortlessly simple to switch between settings. Additionally, the stainless steel blades are robust and durable, designed to handle everything from crushing ice to pureeing vegetables. Kitchen utensils set. The iBiome Kitchen Scissors All-Purpose Heavy-Duty Kitchen Utensils Set is an essential addition to any kitchen, expertly designed to meet the demands of both casual cooks and culinary enthusiasts. With a sleek and modern aesthetic available in black, red, and black gray, these scissors are not only functional, but will also complement the decor of any kitchen space. Constructed from high-quality stainless steel, the scissors feature a brushed finish that enhances durability while providing a smooth blade edge. Measuring 8.66 inches in length and 3.93 inches in width, they are conveniently sized for easy handling and storage. Weighing just 0.2 pounds, these scissors are lightweight yet robust, making them suitable for a variety of tasks. One of the standout features is the ambidextrous hand orientation, which ensures that these kitchen scissors are comfortable to use for both left and right-handed individuals. This inclusivity is a thoughtful design choice that enhances usability for everyone. The straight blade edge is perfect for a range of applications, from cutting through meat and poultry to snipping fresh herbs, or even opening packaging. Alpha Griller's Instant Read Meat Thermometer. Instant Read Food Thermometer. Our Instant Read Thermometer features a temperature probe and advanced, highly accurate technology with 2-3 seconds response time. Instructions, meat temperature chart, comes pre-calibrated for your convenience and recalibrating feature if needed. Multi-use. From BBQ thermometer to baking thermometer, our digital food thermometer for cooking is perfect for meats, liquids, deep frying, and candy making. For air fryer, oven, grill, barbecue, griddle, smoker, kitchen, and outdoors. Easy Read digital thermometer for cooking. Large instant thermometer dial with bright blue backlight means you can always read the temperature, whether you are grilling in the dark or baking in your kitchen. Perfect must-have grilling accessory for kitchen essentials. Water resistant. Perfect digital cooking thermometer for meat. Our digital meat thermometer for food of any kind is water resistant, IP66 rated, and can be washed and cleaned under running water. Valentine's Day gifts for him or her. Our meat thermometers for cooking and grilling are delivered in an elegant, foam-lined box, making it the ideal gift for husband or wife. Makes for the perfect food thermometer for cooking. The meat thermometer comes with an additional CR2032 battery in child-safe packaging. Noalto reusable K-cups and coffee pods. The Noalto reusable K-cups and coffee pods stand out as an excellent choice for coffee enthusiasts looking to reduce waste while enjoying their favorite brew. Made from high-quality stainless steel, these K-cups are designed for durability and longevity, offering a sustainable alternative to single-use coffee pods. Measuring 1.42 into 2.08 into 1.73 inches and weighing just 2.12 ounces, the compact size ensures easy handling and storage. The product's basket shape is thoughtfully engineered to maximize extraction and flavor, allowing users to experience their coffee at its best. With a strong customer rating of 4.4 out of 5 stars based on nearly 14,000 reviews, it's evident that many users appreciate the convenience and efficiency of this product. Furthermore, its popularity is reflected in its ranking as the #1 in reusable coffee filters within the home and kitchen category on major marketplaces. The Noalto reusable K-cups are compatible with a variety of coffee makers, making them a versatile addition to any kitchen setup. The simple design ensures easy filling and cleaning, allowing users to switch between different coffee blends without hassle. Ninja BL610 Professional Blender. The Ninja BL610 Professional 72-aughts countertop blender stands out in the crowded market of kitchen appliances with its robust design and powerful capabilities. Functioning at 1,000 watts, this blender is engineered to handle a variety of tasks from mixing and blending to crushing ice and pureeing ingredients. The large 72-ounce capacity is perfect for families or those who enjoy entertaining, allowing multiple servings to be prepared in one go. One of the standout features of the Ninja BL610 is its total crushing technology, which utilizes stainless steel blades designed to create a smooth blend in seconds. This is particularly effective for creating frozen drinks, smoothies, and even soups. The device offers 4 distinct speed settings, giving users the flexibility to achieve the desired consistency based on the type of ingredients being processed. This blender is remarkably lightweight, weighing in at just 7.1 pounds, making it easy to handle and store. The push-button controls are intuitive and allow for seamless operation, even for those new to blending. Additionally, the unit is BPA-free, ensuring that the materials are safe for food preparation.